Hello viewers, are you facing Instagram cannot create group problem? Don't worry, you are not alone. Many users experiencing this problem in Instagram. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix it. So let's see the steps. For solving this problem, first of all, go to Play Store. Now click on search bar and search Instagram. Now click on Instagram. From here, uninstall Instagram apps. If you uninstall Instagram, you will have to log in again. So you need to know your password and username before uninstalling the apps. After uninstalling Instagram apps, now reinstall Instagram apps again. Now wait for completing the install process. After completing the install process, now restart your phone. After all this process, now open Instagram and log in your account. After this step, I hope your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more updates.